listen to their views.
Riri a Kenya mathiete na mbere gukirira thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni mitaratara iria gathikite na ironekana tena hatiriria muingi wa bururi. Riu mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni okiriire andu aria makoretwo makimenereria thirikari na mitaratara yayo undu umwe na gutheremia ndeto cia kuguoyohia muingi nenda-ini cio kinyaniria.
And I am confident we are going to transform our country. We are going to change Kenya, and we will shame the devil. Niko na imani hii nchi tutaibadilisha.
President ugite bururi ni wihandite rungu rwa wathani wake na ni hotorete kugacirithia miturire ya muingi undu umwe na gukura kwa utonga wa bururi na aria mararegana nake megutigwo magegete wona kinyaniria mibango iria agathikite.
Let us stop the spirit of negativity in our country. We cannot build this nation on falsehood, on fake news, on disinformation, on propaganda. You cannot hate your country so much to the extent that you want it to fail.
Ruto urio kwaragia kanitha-ini umwe kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta ni ongereire kuga dariri ciothe cia kiwonjoria ironania bururi urakura undu uria nyititwo baru ni munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki.
I have a great dream for Kenya. A big vision for Kenya. And by God's grace, we are going to transform this nation. Already there are signs of transformation in Kenya.
Kulikuwa na kufungwa kwa uchumi kwa karibu miaka miwili kwa sababu ya ugonjwa wa COVID. Na ile kufungwa kwa 2020-2021 mpaka almost 2022, when the economy was shut down completely. We were locked up in our homes for more than a year, almost 2 years. The consequences of economic inactivity for almost 2 years made it very difficult at the time when President Ruto was taking over leadership.
Kindiki urio kwaragia hindi igongona ria kanitha mwena wa Turukana ni ongereire kuga thirikari riu ni yambikite mitaratara ya gutigirira Kenya ni magia na mbeca mihuko-ini yao na thiini wa ihinda rinini riukite ni mekwambiriria kuona umithio wa thirikari ya President Ruto.
Ile inaitwa Climate Works ya kusafisha Nairobi River. We have employed 20,000 young people and we are going to restore and expand the Climate Works program ambayo ni ya kutafutia vijana hawa ambao wanafanya kazi za kutengeneza barabara, kutoa madrainages, kupanda miti, kurejesha mazingira. That program is going to be rolled out in the new year in all the 47 counties of the Republic of Kenya.
Okaide-ini okau Kindiki ni atugiritie gucokereria gwa thayo gitaru-ini kia rugongo rwa bururi kuria kuraturite kuri gitumiro kia ici ya mahiu undu rieranire thirikari ni hotorete kuhitana naguo kaimana na gucenjia miturire ya ikaria mwena ucio riu akiuria atongoria agi uteti na kidini mekirire kuhunjia thayo na urumwe kuri muingi guothe bururi-ini.